Hey Wingsme, welcome back to the channel. If you ever wonder how some creators have those super clean aesthetic thumbnails that make you want to click, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make aesthetic YouTube thumbnails for beginners, even if you have zero design experience. And the best part, you can do this using free tools like Canva or Adobe Express. So let's get started. So first we're gonna take some inspiration from Pinterest and see some inspiration design that we can take, but do not copy the whole design from Pinterest. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to go to the Canva app and then I'm gonna type thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, and then as you can see there are a lot of variety of thumbnails or designs that we can use, but we want aesthetic thumbnail, so we're gonna type aesthetic thumbnail. Okay, so here are, as we can see, there is a lot of design that we can use or customize according to our preference. And okay, so I'm gonna take this one. So basically this thumbnail that we are creating is for the video which is about my healthy routine. So the thumbnail should also include some pictures which gonna show what is inside the video. So we're gonna take some pictures. Okay, so once we completed the designing our thumbnail, we're gonna add some text, and here you can see that there are a lot of options of text that we can take and customize it according to our preference. So here you can see there are a lot of different font options that we can use in our design. You can take whatever you like. You can download it once you have completed the design, and you can download it into PDF format or PNG or JPG. So I have downloaded in PNG form, and then we're gonna use this thumbnail, and that's it. Now you know how to make aesthetic YouTube thumbnails as a beginner. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of aesthetic you're going for. I'll see you in the next one.